The Grand Canal in Venice is a renowned waterway that holds significant historical and cultural importance. Stretching for about 3.8 kilometers, it winds through the heart of the city, offering breathtaking views and serving as a vital transportation route. From above, you can see the complex network of canals and bridges that make up this historic waterway. Video captured by drone allows us to appreciate not only the architectural landmarks that surround its shores, but also the vibrant activity on its waters. The Grand Canal's picturesque landscape is dotted with magnificent palaces, elegant bridges, and vibrant buildings that showcase the architectural brilliance of Venice. It serves as a captivating backdrop for tourists and locals alike, making it one of the most visited attractions in the city. When planning a visit to Venice, exploring the Grand Canal is undoubtedly an essential part of any itinerary. Its awe-inspiring scenery, combined with its historical significance, make it an unforgettable experience for all who venture there.